In this video, let's see how to manage banking transactions, including withdrawing, depositing, and transferring cash. In the navigation bar, click on Banking. In the Banking section, there are three options for recording transactions: withdraw cash, deposit cash, and transfer cash. Let's begin by clicking on the New Transactions button to record any of the three types of transactions. Here you'll see a drop-down under New Transactions button. Click on Withdraw Cash. In this form, click here to select an account you want to withdraw from. Choose the account from this drop-down where money has gone to. Let's select Cash in Hand from the drop-down list. Enter the amount in the Amount field. Enter a description here. You can specify purpose for later reference. Click the Save button to save the transaction. A voucher of withdraw cash is created, as you can see in the list. Let's record a deposit now. Click on the New Transactions button. Choose Deposit Cash from the drop-down menu. In the form, select the account from which money is being deposited. Let's select Cash in Hand from the drop-down options. Select an account where money needs to be deposited. Enter the amount in the field. Type a description in the Description field. Click the Save button in the form to save the new transaction. Select the Deposit Cash tab in the Banking section. A voucher of deposit cash is created, as you can see in the list. Now let's record a transaction for cash transfer. Choose Transfer Cash from the drop-down menu. Here, select the source account of the money transfer. I will select this bank account. Next, select the destination account of this transfer. I'm going to select this one here. Enter the amount in the Amount field. Type some description about transfer for later reference. Finally, click the Save button to save the new transaction. In the navigation bar, click on Transfer Cash to view transfer transactions. A voucher of transfer cash is created, as you can see in the list. To review bank transaction entries, navigate to the Reports section. Simply click on Reports in the navigation bar to access the available report options. Under Transaction Reports, click on Bank Book to view bank transaction entries.